Hello everyone, thank you Mom Lo.
Iba May, how are you guys?
I hope you
I
all
hope you all are
fine.
doing good,
Yeah.
great.
Obviously
So-
they must be enjoying in lockdown time, right? So today we are going to have my gonna same beef and egg, spicy hot. Simple, but it's gonna be tasty, and we have a methi
Some
leaf.
green leaf, it's called methi in Hindi. And we have coke. And my plate is empty.
See, ribum dula da.
Okay, start.
Ribum dula
Start,
zai ne,
start,
ma dula da. Samang lu da.
Not
Not
like.
Hey, lemon. How you cut lemon like this? You're supposed to cut like this. How can we squeeze
No
it?
problem, I did.
No problem, she did.
I already did, I mean.
Actually, anaya English kwa damara. Jima kwa dam sing ra da kana. Hala ga bam ram lai za pi ma la da hai anui jema ru na pi ma ka kana yan jema mukbang do promote ni ka.
Yes.
But we sometimes need to use our national language, English. So we are talking in English.
Not exactly, but.
Jima
Some
kwa
point
dam
we are
ba
going
ma
to
du do la
speak
pi ya.
English.
Eh. Yeah, chala.
No? This is cold, no? Okay.
Tùy bé tao đó.
I have a plate sorted. Ooh, just see the meat. How big is that?
How big is this?
Come. I'm
Start
starting.
yourself. But in the end, I'm the one going to finish first. I know. Because I'm missing of eating rice.
Anh rửa đây là.
Anything you like it. Don't forget to share me something which I like it.
There's no more.
No more.
Is
only
there
one
this
thing.
one?
No, I mean to say fat.
Yeah, we need to talk.
Not pizza is there. This one. This
No,
one is
no,
pizza.
no.
Then
She.
pizza is over there. This is meat, not pizza.
Trắng là tên này có.
Lum-
Mà sao chăm ra mùi cái này kìa?
Because you have blocked that outside. No problem. Look. I squeeze lemon.
잘 보이는 무슨 하나 보자.
Damn care, eat yourself. Enjoy yourself. Don't bother neighbors what they are doing.
Toma 가수 나.
Dạ. Oh my god. Viewer ang din Không có sung ra xài ta lu mày lu.
Bạc chát. Oh, I mean cái tôm chát thế này. 하나 share cho cậu tôm chát.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh my god, very bad. Tasty, right? Very tasty. Trên được quỳ ra bảo là quỳ ba ya enjoy trên đó.
저도 이번 I like crying because of tasty.
아이고 이게 똥 이거 그만해 좀 đây ba
Bạc dễ tôm dễ dày vào.
một
Đúng rồi. Backbone.
I always buy eatable bone
What?
backbone
mean
này
to
đó
say? Oh, that is this not on.
à không đâu hôm nay tôi sẽ biết cái mày này có tung măng này ra mà cả mi hăng gì có đó. This green leaf is very good for health, so cái trong này. Oh my god. So tasty. Very tasty. I like potato.
Tao lên là tiêu. Potato. What? It's hot?
Damn. Dito, 세상 결과로 되고 심. Especially nowadays, people like green veggies, right?
Cause you're getting it.
I wish one of our cousin sister alumni is watching, then she would have remember about this methi leaf, right?
Long my favorite. Wow, what's a lot?
Today is messy eating. We haven't eaten anything from morning, like breakfast, so we are just grabbing. Really.
Hôm nay mà nông tập tiền là mấy đây ra. Tôi sửa đấy.
Our brother John said that.
Sort out to cleave it is.
But I'm a very foodie girl, so I'm not doing any stylish while I'm eating. The way I eat, normal I do in the camera.
So what you thinking?
Really? I thought you're doing style in front of the camera.
Style tôi mày cùng chơi cổ.
This is what is called white bone and very chewable and very tasty. What happened?
Không được.
You don't like? You can give
I
it
like.
to you. Mình bắt lúc nào em cho nên là con yêu. Phải tới lòng của mẹ.
Cho nên này đúng không ra?
Cho nên nghe luôn á.
Not that kind of fan. Rong nha. Bon chỉ có mà.
Trên là bra bakal lebih teh mah. Oh my god, you touch with your right hand. Theo tôi bị chơi bên đó. More coals is coming out because we have too much in there. Because of hot and spicy curry, we are sweating. But as you guys know that we are enjoying the food, very yummy.
This is called yummy.
I'm sorry.
This one.
Oh my god, I'm seeing the When I'm hungry. I cannot control the food. OMG. So this stuff now. Tí tay bọn bạn. Oh my god, tí tay bọn bạn tập trình này. Thiệt xác. Tập nó hình ngon này cô lại tập cho cô lớn thế này. I'm sorry guys, I used to eat very fast. With the spicy go into my throat, direct to my nose. So I have a problem now. 우리 매달이 강아지 비했어 이러지. 어찌돼 정서가. But surrender te maku. Ah. Takay so makulay. Kaya ta kulay. Người cũng lấy cái đấy để cho xong này.
어찌해? 낯생 나라지고.
My last bite this
난다라.
It's good that we are making job. Someone will be loving.
Somebody want to eat? That's why.
Tiếp wala. Kabale makada chicha kwa. Tim kudo kami wa. If we did mistake, our viewer will be laughing on us. So it's good, right? At least we can make someone to smile while watching our video.
Okay. I agree with you. Come.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. And those who have already done subscribe, thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Namaste.